Hey guys, let's talk about this Happrun projector and how you can connect to a MacBook. Here I have this model, the Happrun H1. And back there I have a MacBook Pro and the cable. It's an HDMI cable. I have it connected here. And I can just connect to my computer, okay? I can also use this other cable that I have here, which is HDMI to USB-C. So it depends on your computer, which one you have. I'll leave the link here in the description for this one, okay? Let's start with the HDMI first. I'm gonna connect here to my computer, to the HDMI port. There we go. You just wait for a while, you're gonna see a message on the screen. Choose to mirror or extend from the menu. Okay, so I got the message there. Let me just approach here so you see better. You have a message back there from the projector. In here, you need to take a look at the computer and just select here. So you come here, see, there's an icon here representing the display. And from here, you can choose what you're gonna do, right? Mirror or extend. So just click here. And then you're gonna select entire screen, window or app, or extend display. Let me just put here extend display. And take a look at there. You see back there that extending the display, right? So anything that I do here, it extends to there, so I can move my mouse. You see the cursor goes there, right? Let me just bring some applications so you see that I'm just bringing there the calculator, for example, and it works pretty fine, okay? And then you can come here to your computer and rearrange this. Just show here the details that you can come here to system settings and then display. And from here, you see the projector. Then you can change, put on the top, for example, like this, hit done. And now, when you move up here, it's going to go there, right? That's the idea. Let me just show that I'm just moving up here, the calculator, and goes there to the projector. So it works like this. Super simple. You just need to use a cable like a HDMI to HDMI, connect it there, and come just right here. There's an icon that shows up here. Okay, and then from here you can select what I want to do. So super simple. That's the way you can connect the Happrun projector to a MacBook. I hope this helps. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video.